Good evening. This is my enhancement number 5. I've pretty much got it done. When I went in to validate everything, which was this one, my category is validated just fine. But when I went to validate my products, I got some errors and I'm not sure why. I'm going to have to work on those. I'm not sure how to fix those. Um, I don't know if I have to totally change everything or what. So when I go into new category, if I try to just put in one or two things, if I try to add a new category and don't put anything in, it tells me to fill out this field. It did give me the new category when I tried to do it. I was really excited about that. We got that to work this week. Um, we fixed everything from last week that needed to be fixed and got stuff to work right. So that made me very happy. Okay, and then to add the new product, Ducky helped me fix this area right here because I was trying to figure out how to do that. But poor little Ducky's not very wise yet. If I put, see if I do like a snack and put in candy and just leave it at that and enter, it comes up clear down here at the price because it told me that these three things could not be required. That was part of my problems. Um, So the other thing I'm having problems with is uh, this new function. I know what it needs to do, but I haven't been able to figure out how to make that work yet. I'm just not very fast at this. Anyway, that's my enhancement for week 5, and thank you and have a good night.